French nuclear submarine surfaced. Mechanical failure off Somalia coast. Somali pirates attack. 80 crew members taken hostage. 16 ballistic missiles on board. Nuclear warheads. Pirates demand $500 million ransom. December 20th, 2025. This is nightmare scenario nobody planned for. Submarine crews train for underwater warfare, not surface piracy. Pirates expect cargo ships, not nuclear weapons platforms. French Special Forces and U.S. Navy SEALs must assault nuclear submarine occupied by pirates without detonating warheads. This is most delicate hostage rescue in history, and this is why submarines never surface in pirate waters. Somali piracy peaked 2011, then declined due to international patrols and armed guards on merchant vessels, but never disappeared completely. Pirates adapted, smaller operations, opportunistic targets, motherships range farther offshore. December 2025, approximately 40 pirate groups still operating. Most target fishing vessels and small cargo ships. Ransom demands modest, $100,000 to $500,000. Insurance pays. Crews released. Business model proven. Until one group captures submarine. French Navy operates 4 Triomphant-class ballistic missile submarines. Strategic deterrent, nuclear-powered, 138 meters long, 12,640 tons submerged. Crew 111. Armament, 16 M51 submarine-launched ballistic missiles. Each missile carries 6 thermonuclear warheads, 100 kiloton yield each. Total destructive capacity, 9,600 kilotons, enough to destroy 96 cities. These submarines patrol continuously. Deterrence through invisibility, hidden in ocean depths, unreachable, untouchable, until laterable surfaces with problems. December 20th, 0630 hours. Laterable operating Indian Ocean, 400 miles east of Mogadishu. Standard patrol, silent running, everything routine. Then reactor cooling system shows anomaly. Temperature rising, not emergency yet, but concerning. Engineering team investigates, identifies pump failure. Backup systems activate automatically, stabilize temperature, but primary system needs repair, requires surface access to certain components. Captain faces decision, continue patrol with backup cooling only, or surface briefly for repairs, chooses repairs. Safe decision, wrong location. What's your assessment of submarine surface vulnerability? Type A if protocols adequate. Type B if pirates exploited gap. Drop your analysis below. Laterable surface, 0645 hours. Position 400 miles offshore. International waters, far from normal piracy range. Should be safe. Captain maintains high alert anyway. Lookouts posted. Radar active. Sonar monitoring. But submarine designed for underwater threat. Surface surveillance limited. No weapons optimized for surface engagement. Small arms only. Crew not trained for repelling boarders. Pirates not considered realistic threat. Repairs begin immediately. Engineering crew accesses reactor compartment external panels. Requires 2 hours work. Submarine maintains position using minimal propulsion. Crew efficient. Professional. Focus on repairs. Return to depths quickly. Nobody notices small boat approaching from west. Somali pirate skiff. 25-foot fiberglass boat. Outboard motor. 7 pirates. AK-47 rifles. RPG launcher. They spotted submarine by chance. Fishing expedition gone extraordinarily lucky. Pirates cannot believe what they see. Massive submarine. Flying French flag. Floating stationary. Crew visible on deck. Perfect target. Radio call to mothership. More boats dispatched. Pirates discuss approach. Submarine crew armed, but pirates have surprise. Plus RPG. Can threaten critical systems. Force surrender through intimidation. Worth trying. Potential ransom enormous. Pirates approach rapidly. If this pirate submarine scenario analysis provides value, take a second to hit that subscribe button. 0715 hours. Lookout spots approaching boat. Alerts bridge. Captain observes through periscope. Small boat. High speed. 7 men visible. Weapons. Pirates. 800 meters and closing. Captain sounds general quarters. All crew to stations. But stations for what? Submarine has no deck guns. No close-in weapons. Small arms locker contains maybe 20 rifles. Security team numbers 8 sailors, not trained infantry. Nuclear submarine crew. Engineers, technicians, navigators, not commandos. Security chief organizes defense. 8 armed sailors to deck. Take covered positions. Challenge approaching boat. Weapons free if threatened, but orders emphasize avoid escalation. French government policy: negotiate with pirates. Pay ransom if necessary. Don't risk crew casualties. Security team reluctant engage. Hope pirates intimidated by military vessel. Turn away. Hope misplaced. Pirates close to 200 meters. Shout demands in broken English. Stop engines. Crew surrender. No resistance. Or RPG attack. Pirates aim rocket launcher at submarine's sail. Housing critical systems. Navigation. Communications. Periscope. Damage there cripples submarine. Captain calculates options. 8 sailors with rifles versus 7 pirates with automatic weapons and RPG. Firefight kills people both sides. Risks submarine damage. Pirates might not know it's nuclear submarine. Might think it's conventional military vessel. Ransom, maybe few million. Manageable. Better than casualties and damaged boat. What would your decision be as submarine captain? Fight or negotiate? Comment your command choice. Captain orders stand down, no shots fired. Instructs security team lower weapons. Raise hands. Show non-resistance. Pirates come alongside. Board submarine. Experienced boarders. Done this dozens times on merchant ships. Never on submarine, but technique same. 7 pirates aboard within minutes. More boats arriving. Total 23 pirates within 30 minutes. Outnumber armed crew. Control situation completely. Pirate leader demands captain identify himself. Captain steps forward. Explains vessel is French Navy submarine. Carrying nuclear missiles. Extremely dangerous. Should not be tampered with. Hope's warning scares pirates. Opposite effect. Pirate leader's eyes widen. Nuclear submarine. Means valuable. Means huge ransom. This is biggest capture in Somali piracy history. Leader immediately changes calculation. Not few million ransom. Hundreds of millions. Maybe billion. French government will pay anything for nuclear submarine return. Pirates force entire crew onto deck. 111 submariners. Hands visible. No resistance. Pirates confiscate all weapons. Radio equipment. Satellite phones. Cut communications. Submarine now isolated. Pirates cannot operate submarine. Don't know how. But don't need to. Crew operates submarine. Pirates just control crew. Standard piracy procedure. Applied to nuclear platform. Pirate leader makes demands. Contact French government. Demand $500 million ransom. Crew safety guaranteed if paid. Harm crew if refused. Also threaten submarine. Explosives placed near critical systems. Detonate if attacked. Pirates understand leverage. Have crew. Have nuclear weapons. Have perfect hostage situation. French government must negotiate. This level of detailed submarine hijacking analysis requires extensive research. Support the channel with a thumbs up if you found this valuable. French Navy receives notification 0800 hours. Laterable missed scheduled communication. Position unknown. Status unknown. Search initiated. Reconnaissance aircraft deployed. Locate submarine by 0930 hours. Satellite imagery shows submarine on surface. Surrounded by small boats. Pirates. Hostage situation confirmed. Crisis escalates immediately. Nuclear submarine in pirate hands. 16 ballistic missiles. 96 nuclear warheads. Scenario nobody imagined, nobody planned for. Protocols don't exist. French president convened emergency meeting. Military chiefs, intelligence services, negotiators. Options assessed. Pay ransom, sets precedent, encourages future attacks. Military assault, risks crew casualties, possible warhead damage. Unacceptable. Negotiate and rescue simultaneously. Promising. Buy time with negotiations. Plan rescue operation. Execute when ready. Approved. Negotiations begin. Pirates demand $500 million. French negotiators counter $50 million. Standard technique. Start low. Increase gradually. String out negotiations. Pirates have no timeline pressure. Crew captive. Submarine secured. Can wait months if necessary. Supplies delivered by supporting boats, food, water, fuel for generators. Pirates prepared for long negotiation. French prepared for long rescue planning. U.S. Navy contributes SEAL Team 6, submarine rescue expertise. France provides Commandos Marine, Naval Special Operations. Combined force, 48 operators. Mission, assault submarine, neutralize pirates, secure crew, prevent warhead damage. All simultaneously. Most complex hostage rescue ever attempted. Margin for error 0. Single mistake detonates warhead or kills hostages. Training begins immediately. Don't miss future special operations analyses. Make sure you're subscribed so you catch every detailed breakdown. Rescue planning takes 10 days. Intelligence gathering, submarine blueprints, pirate positions, crew locations, guard patterns, everything mapped precisely. Drones provide surveillance. Satellites, signals intelligence. Build complete operational picture. Identify optimal assault timing. Minimize pirate awareness. Maximize surprise advantage. December 30th designated rescue date. Assault time 0300 hours. Darkness. Pirates sleeping. Reduced alert. SEALs approach underwater. Rebreathers. Silent. 4 swimmers reach submarine hull. Place magnetic charges. Breach hull from below. Simultaneous breaches multiple locations. Confused defenders. Commandos fast rope from helicopters. Hit deck simultaneously with hull breach. Total operators aboard, 48. Total pirates, 23. 2-to-1 advantage. Plus training. Equipment. Surprise. 0300 hours. Charges detonate. Hull breaches open. SEALs pour through. Emerging inside torpedo room. Crew quarters. Engineering. Simultaneously. Suppressed weapons. Night vision. Pirates sleeping. Confused. No organized resistance. 11 pirates killed in first 30 seconds. Others surrender immediately. Commandos on deck secure topside. No shots fired there. Pirates sleeping in captured crew quarters. Woken by flashbangs. Surrendering before understanding situation. Entire assault 8 minutes. 111 crew freed. 23 pirates captured or killed. 0 crew casualties. 0 warhead damage. Textbook execution. Le Terrible secured. French crew resumes control. Emergency dive. Submerges immediately. Returns to depths. Safety. Invisibility. Pirates transferred to custody. Face piracy charges. International tribunal. Life imprisonment likely. But submarine safe. Crew safe. Warheads safe. Mission successful. Nightmare ended. Your engagement determines what operations we analyze next. If this provided strategic insight, share it with anyone studying special operations and submarine security. Strategic lessons force doctrine changes. Submarines never surface in pirate-prone waters. Period. If mechanical issues require surface time, reposition to secure areas first. If emergency surface unavoidable, immediate military escort requested. No exceptions. Crew receive anti-piracy training, repelling borders, small arms proficiency. Armed security teams expanded. Submarines no longer assume surface immunity. Piracy threat assessment revised. Pirates demonstrated willingness attack military vessels if opportunity presents, not just merchant ships. Anything floating, anything valuable. Submarines particularly vulnerable when surfaced. Minimal surface defenses. Crew not combat trained. Perfect target if accessible. Geography matters. Avoid known piracy zones. Route planning considers pirate activity. Deterrence through avoidance. International naval cooperation strengthened. This rescue involved French and American forces. Seamless coordination, shared intelligence, combined expertise. Success demonstrated multilateral operations value. Future crises require similar cooperation. No nation has all capabilities. Working together multiplies effectiveness. Piracy threat affects all navies. Shared threat demands shared response. Technology improvements implemented. Better surface surveillance systems for submarines. Automated weapons for deck defense. Non-lethal options for boarding threats. Enhanced communications. Faster emergency response. submarines designed for stealth underwater, but need capability surface environment too. December 20th, exposed gap. Gap now being filled. So here's the critical question for submarine operations planners. Should submarines ever surface in unsecured waters? Can crew defend against determined borders? What's protocol when underwater vessel becomes surface target? How do you balance operational needs with security risks? Share your submarine security analysis below. If you made it through this entire submarine hijacking analysis, you're exactly who this channel serves. Hit subscribe, hit notification bell, share with anyone interested in submarine operations and Special Forces rescue missions. Because 10 days from December 20th taught lessons about submarine vulnerability that nobody expected. Your support through likes, comments, and subscriptions enables in-depth analyses like this. December 20th proved submarines vulnerable in ways never considered. French nuclear submarine captured by Somali pirates. 111 crew hostage. 96 nuclear warheads at risk. $500 million ransom demand. 10 days of negotiations. Combined French-American Special Forces rescue. 8-minute assault. Perfect execution. 0 casualties. All hostages freed. All pirates captured. Submarine returned safely. But lesson clear, submarines belong underwater. Surface equals vulnerability. That's why lateral hijacking will be studied forever. Stay informed, stay tactical, and we'll see you in the next Operation Breakdown.